Hello and welcome to this Nappy Lady demonstration of the budget pack. Now this is part of our reusable nappy incentive scheme, and this is an amazing pack which is on offer for anyone who might want to use cloth nappies, but the most affordable and economical options that there are. In this pack there are quite a few different options that you can try that are very budget friendly. On top of that, this pack itself is budget friendly at $12.99, so a really good way to try out reusables and see if they are for you. First of all, in your pack you get the Totspots nappy wrap. These are really popular, Velcro fastening, really easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. And inside is the absorbent part, so the wrap itself is the waterproof part. These pads are the absorbent part. These can actually be changed out at a nappy change if the wrap isn't soiled, which makes it a really affordable system. It's also super easy to use. It's really popular for childcare and so on. So this is a really lovely place to start, and the prints on Totspots are beautiful as well. Secondly, we have got a white spots terry square. Now don't panic. There's loads of folding advice on the Nappy Lady website, so they can be so easy to fold. They're a little bit old school, but they're incredibly reliable. So you can have your terry square, and you also get included a nappy nipper. So again, don't panic, no safety pins are involved in terry squares anymore. A nappy nipper has small hooks on the back that just grip to the fabric. There's loads of demonstrations of these again on the Nappy Lady website. Once people convert to terry squares, they don't often go back because they are fantastic, absorbent, cheap nappies and so long lasting. They are a brilliant economical choice to make. The kit also includes this designer tie-on nappy cover. So this is actually amazing because it's completely plastic free. So again, information on how to fold these is on the Nappy Lady website and how to use them. Once you've got the hang of it, they're super easy, and altogether this combination is a brilliant budget option for you and your baby. Also included in your pack is a cheeky wipe. These are reusable wipes, an amazing way to save money. Reusable wipes are so economical. These can be used for hands or faces, so they are fantastic, and this is a little taster so you can feel the size, the texture, and whether you like this particular brand. You will also receive some paper liners in your budget pack, which are useful to put inside the nappy. Information on how to use these is included in your reusable nappies guide. So this has everything that you might want to know. Any questions about cloth nappies are probably answered in here, but if not, head to the Nappy Lady website. We will be happy to help you, and there will probably be articles that also answer your question. Finally included in your pack are plenty of information leaflets, discounts, offers, and all the things that you might need if you are having a young baby or have just had a young baby. We really hope that the budget pack will give you an amazing idea of how reusable nappies work and whether you like these particular products. I'd also recommend the Nappy Lady questionnaire.